to be fair, komportable sila sa mga ganda eh. Ilang games na may paraan nila na lugi sila sa early pero dahil yung composition nila pang game na mabawi ko. Oh,
Sabi ko po, yun na kasi sabi ko, yung mga ganyang klaseng dive-at. Wow, Brusco with the flicker, going straight for the Frederick. Pero look like sila pa rin makakuha nung pagong na ito. And yung susunod na teamfight naman ay looking very, very good. Para sa TLPH, distansya lang mula doon sa Claude. And they're able to dance around it. Kirk ang susunod na magiging target dito. Pero looks like makakadali pa siya ng isa bago siya mapapatumba dito ng TL. From Sanford, nasa gilid ng ibang 1v1 dito. Kirk, it is the main Black Dragon 4. Lumilipat na. Beautiful knock-up doon sa loob ng pit. And that is gonna be the King Kong. But the King Kong overtake. Or Onyx. Kapatid with Sanji na naman. Favor kami with the team na to. And look at that. Prince and the King Kong dito sa gilid. Sanford may spinal slash getting into position. Nice miss. Nice dodge from Super Prince. All the way to the back. Grabing micro ginagawa ng Logi ni Super Prince dito. There's JP naman. Swap to Elra ang trabaho niya. Super Prince going down doon sa baba. And that might be a really, really big play. Sanford lumilipad na kung saan lang. And he will die under the turret. But everything is happening dito. Nagkakagulo na sa mapa. Onyx Philippines or Onyx sabi nila, you know what? Namang pag naman tayo. We have to make a play here. Chessman gonna be taken out. Emo is down para kay Chessman. Pero this time around, JP naman ang tumatanggap ng sakit. They might have used up a lot of their ultimate. Kirk is in front, in the back, rather. And siya ngayon ang hinahabol.
Oh, RWM.
There you go, RWM here as well. KL1 naman nagwawala with his Zaman Force. Nasaan si Kelra? I'm looking for Kelra. He actually is able to take down KL1. Ayan na nga. Tuloy-tuloy na Super Prince from the back. And looks like they are gonna be able to get so much advantage dun sa game na yon.
Oh my God! Ang gulpe, tigulat ng Onyx Philippines. Ito naman, yung kanilang strength. Kung malupit ang Team Liquid sa mga box track nila. Ang gulpe-tigulat ng Onyx Philippines naman ang tayo. Brusco, ulit makakagawa ng play. Dalawang beses na huli si Chessman. The first one sa Immortality and this one